First one on the launch pad is Smaal Lekker. That's a push for Smaal Lekker. Wiseman has to put the ski boat lap tracker deep into the water to get the boats off the lip. Smaal Lekker floating nicely, 660 Buttcat, 2134 stroke Yamahas on the back. I am well situated, I don't have to go further south. Beautiful launch into a beautiful setting. Look at the sunrise here. Happy hunting, Smaal Lekker. Enjoy the day. Next one on the launch pad is Legacy 2 830 Buttcat 2 154 stroke Suzuki's on the back. It's a very light vessel. Bare minimum charter operation here, charter fishing operation here in St. Lucia Estuary. Just grab this picture for marketing purposes. Popelon Bay in the background always makes for good marketing here at isiMangaliso Wetland Park, KwaZulu-Natal, South Africa. That's a push for Legacy. Wiseman got nice momentum on him, and the sidewash is pulling him into the channel, which is an advantage getting off the lip. Looks like I can go a little bit closer to get some more light so that I don't need to zoom in this hard. Boats are being held there in the current with the reverse. Yo! It's taking them on the shoulder, nice and slow. Well done, Legacy. Happy hunting, enjoy the day. Tomcat. Yes, that ski boat tractor is taking punishment today in the shore dump. Has that thing got Mercury's on? Yes, can't remember which. What size Tomcat, what size Mercury's? Willem Pretorius probably is a skipper today. Going to make that saddle. Yes, he takes it slow right into the saddle. Look at that perfect launch. Not too shabby. He has to race to get to the back line. Turning 45 to the south, get around the back line. Well done, Willie. Happy hunting, enjoy the day. Teens with Petronella, 22 foot VCAT with 2144 stroke Suzuki's on the back. Teens always gives us some excitement here. I don't know if he's the skipper today, but that is Petronella for sure. Maneuvered nicely through all the speed bumps. Got right there. Yes. Well done. Happy hunting, enjoy the day. 1830 Carry Cat with 204 stroke Suzuki's on the back. That's a pause. And that's a push. Motor still trimmed high as Legacy is floating away from the shore there. Legacy running for mid-brake. Well done, Legacy. Whoa, that's an ugly one. Is he gonna get in front of it? Yes, he is. Happy hunting, enjoy the day. It's a Sea Cat. Probably two 130 Yamahas on the back, if I remember correctly. That's a push for timeout. The Wiseman slowed down there. Get the shore dump to wash through. Yes, perfect timing. Timeout floating nicely. Looks like a father and son expedition today. Holding a steady here in the channel, waiting for the sets to wash through. Sets is not very big, but they are standing up as the tide is coming in, washing over the sandbank. They are bigger than when we first arrived. Beautiful day here at St. Lucia. Wind has turned from west to southwesterly. Probably more west southwesterly than it's southwesterly at the moment. It's more than a breath of fresh air. It's pushing but not hard. Timeout is moving more towards the mid-brake. So that position when the boats normally make the wrong decision to turn sideways in front of a curler. But he's got his timing right. Nope, he hasn't. He's got a curler on his shoulder. He's got the speed to get in front of it. Well done, timeout. That Sea Cat did well there. Impressive hull. Very impressive hull design. Happy hunting. Enjoy now being pushed. .22-foot Hellcat, two 115 Yamahas on the back. Bringing the boat on the trot. There's on the plane. It's closing up on his shoulder, but he's got the speed to get in front of it. Well done. Happy hunting. Enjoy the day. Both are being pushed. 660 Bobcat with two 100 4-stroke Yamahas on the back. Pause there. Baron just started the motors. Wiseman keeping him on a pause. and the post has been released. Wiseman could stop him short, got enough momentum to get him over the lip. Water has filled up a lot, so it's much deeper. It's going to be more interesting to see what happens with Ocean Commotion, a bigger vessel. Closing up in front of Barent. Is he coming to come shy for this saddle here? 45 to the north, south. Yes, that's exactly what he did. Happy hunting, enjoy the day. Another Montego or Montago being pushed. Wiseman put a pause on it. It's a push. Also a sea cat. Got Yamahas on the back. Oh, that's a nasty one. Just waiting for the break completely up and over the foamy. Motor still trim high, very nose light there, running on his haunches. Sure. Beautiful launch there in the sun. Beautiful, beautiful. Happy hunting, enjoy the day. The push for Ocean Commotion, the 200 V6 4 strokes has started. 9 meter carry cat, over 3.2 meters wide, weighing in way over 3 ton. Flashing toilet on board, very comfortable fishing platform. It's got all the bells and whistles that the electronics got to offer, and Stewart is bringing it a little bit more north. Look at that beautiful sunrise picture. Yo. All the fishermen here, I can't stay north where I wanted to be. They're in my way, so I had to come south. Still a beautiful launch videos, but it's not what I wanted for the sunrise. Stewart is running more north, bringing Ocean Commotion on a trot, now a plane. Right in front of the gap, he's turning east. Beautifully done, Stewart. With VCAT 2 100 4-stroke Suzuki's on the back floating. Put me off guard here, I was still busy with Stewart. That's a push for Asterix. Closing up a little bit of bounce. He's turning at 45 to the south. A maneuver that the pro skippers execute often here, but they have to know what they're doing. Very dangerous maneuver, but Mons has been here as long as I can remember. Happy hunting, enjoy the day. Wild Child is coming through the estuary mouth. F16Z Craft 252 stroke Yamahas on the back, having a difficulty running around all the... Yo, he's going sideways in front of that one. He had such a beautiful launch yesterday, now it's difficult for him today. Pushing towards the mid-brake, no, he's holding back, he's going to turn away from that one. He's concentrating, he's got his hands full with that steering wheel. He's turning north again, he's turning around again, why I don't know. There's a nice gap in front of him, but he didn't like the looks of the gap. He's coming back into the channel at the estuary mouth. A lot of birds on the back line. Wild Child is still battling to get through the mid-brake on the sandbar. Like one person is sitting down. I couldn't see clearly. Making a run for it. He's got a nice beautiful gap now, 45 to the north. Well done, Wild Child. Not bad for a small vessel. Happy hunting, enjoy the day. Already floating by the time I got the camera turned back. 9:30. Budcat with two 204 stroke Suzuki's on outmounts. Beautiful cap there, Leon. Yes. Turning a little bit north in front of that small one. It's coming around again. It's making it excitement for the youngsters on the vessel. Yo, he jumps that one. Beautiful sunrise shining through the windows there. That's an ugly one closing up on his shoulder. Yeah. Has to come back around again. Yes, that's a big one now on his shoulder. He's running north. Now he's got a perfect gap in front of him. Well done, Leon. Like a pro. He loves it when I say it. He is a pro. Happy hunting, enjoy the day. Aqua Dollar being pushed. I think that's the F2206. It's definitely a Z-Craft. Yo! Yo, that's gonna be a splash over. That's it. Oh! Stop! Is that the worst chance even a splash over? That's it. Oh, vas Kiwi hulle mooi, hulle wil mos babbelaars op die boot klim. Well done, Kiwi! Happy hunting, enjoy the day. On is the next one with a 22-foot Hellcat with two 134 stroke Yamahas on the back. Wiseman putting in the pause. That's a push for the Don. Wiseman is getting momentum there. Leaving a little bit short, but there's a lot of momentum on that 22-foot Hellcat. Trim down those motors. You can't get traction without the motors. Whoa, he's on the power there. Yes, but that boat has got speed. He's running north, 45 to the north. He's turning east. That's a clever move. Why is he turning away from that one? That it gives him time to form. And that's a launch. Happy hunting, enjoy the day. Beautiful fly over here with the seagulls at the launch site. That's a push for Pele Pele 22-foot Hellcat, 2 144 stroke Suzuki's on the back. Floating nicely. Running 45 north, turning east. He has to, there's no other option for him. It's opening up in front of him. It's a little bit of speed bumps up and over the last one. Beautiful launch. Happy hunting, enjoy the day. The whale train arriving. First trip for whale watching today. Push for Advantage Charter 1, 9-meter Bencat, 250 V6 4-strokes Suzuki's on the back. Sean Mansfield all the way from the south coast. He's now exactly 1 year skipping here for the company. The only legal charter operations here in St. Lucia. Boats with a W on the back. Not allowed to approach whales in a research area. Yes, he got away in front of that one just in time. Well done, Sean. Those V6's 500 horsepower is working this morning. Got a beautiful gap there. Yes. Well done, young man. Happy whale watching, enjoy the trip. That's a push for Free Spirit 2, 8.3 meter Bobcat with 204 stroke Suzuki's on the back. Josh Farid, the skipper. If you go and search on this channel, smallest boat launch, you'll find Josh on a 2.5 meter plastic boat with a 1.5 even route going through the surf. His timing is impeccable. We can only tease him some mornings he don't see the sandbanks. But his timing in the wave is impeccable. Beautiful day here at St. Lucia. Slight west southwesterly. It is cold. It is 12 degrees when we got here. Josh running for the mid break. He has to punch that one, but the 830 Bobcat is a perfect hull design, perfect weight ratio, power ratio, everything is beautiful. Getting through the surf here. Well done, Josh. Happy whale watching. Enjoy it. It's a push for Advantage Charter 1 on the second trip. To 250 V6 4-strokes. Trim high, pushing away from the side. Sean Mansfield on the power on the 9-meter Bencat. Turning his line to the east. Beautiful launch on. Happy whale watching. Enjoy the trip. That's a push for Free Spirit 2. 830 Butcat. Do 200 4-strokes on the back. One of the better hulls that Butcat has built, and with the weight that the vessel weigh in, that one, yo, it rides like a deep V. Cuts through the waves, twists and turns. Power to weight ratio is perfect. Floating nicely there. On the power, he's going to use the size of the boat to hit those foamies. Look how that vessel handle it. Oh, there's an ugly one on the back line. He has to face it. He's got no other choice. Jeez, Josh, you made it. Beautiful, you made it look easy. Happy whale watching, enjoy the trip.